This is my bike check. It's a 2009 Premium Inspired. I bought it last year. It was originally $800, but I got the 20% discount at my bike shop, so it went down to $600. It weighs about 25 pounds, and now to go into what I have on it. My back tire is a Reviews Resist tire, non-folding. It has 100 psi in this tire. I have my Primo drive side hub guard, a premium peg, and I have the Alienation Rush Free Coaster. It was 9-tooth. I have the original Premium Slims. I have the stock cranks that came with it. I have no clue what the names are for the cranks. I have the Street chain wheel, which they don't make anymore. The gold KMC, the yellow premium seat, and the gold seat post, and a black premium seat post. I mean, this is seat post clamp, not seat post. My bad. 21-inch top tube. It's still kind of small for me because I haven't ridden in about 6 months. And this is the Premium 9 stem. I have the whiskey bars, the animal grips, the plastic bar ends for the grips, the PBR front rim, and the PBR hub and the premium peg. I have 90 pounds of pressure in the front to have more of a give when I land on it. I have the stock premium forks and an integrated headset. Everything's all sealed, ready to go. That's my bike. Hope you liked it. Subscribe, do whatever.